Hey, it's the Amusement Archive. We're at the center of the universe. Let's go take a look. So we're near the Tulsa Union Depot here. Pretty cool building. Trains down there. But we got this cool little statue or some kind of art piece. We're at the center of the universe. And if you don't know what that is, you're supposed to be able to stand in this circle up here and it like echoes to yourself or something. But let's start with this cool little art piece here. A bunch of airplanes on it. It's got this big like hook. Pretty cool. And then there's people and hands on this side. But where those people are, that's the center of the universe. Let's go over here and look at the train tracks while we wait. I like this Union Depot, pretty cool looking. Here's the train. And I believe this was running earlier when I was getting lunch. But pretty cool. Downtown Tulsa. Got the BOK building up there. So I'm in the center of the universe. I don't know if I can hear it echo a little bit, but this is the Amusement Archive. Thanks for taking a trip. We're at the center of the universe. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next. Oh, I do hear it, but you can't hear it. See you in the next video. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty wild. Kind of sounded like there was a cylinder around you. Like the sound went up into the sky and stuff. So I don't know, they call that the center of the universe here in Tulsa. Pretty cool, like natural phenomenon there. Not really sure if there's an explanation for that or not, but pretty cool. Check it out if you're ever in Tulsa.